Let the world know what's going on with you. Why are you coming in here?
Because I got a lot of pain.
Okay, yeah, where?
All over.
Where? Yeah, all over. He's serious about this shit too. If you guys could feel his spine, you'd be like, okay, he's telling the truth.
Yeah.
And don't you work with your body, right? You're a plumber?
Yeah.
Is that correct?
No, I'm a tile guy.
Tile guy. So you're bent over all day.
Yeah.
Right.
I lift weight all day.
All day. So you're moving weight. This guy's moving weight all day. And for how many years?
34.
34 years you've been working with your body. Okay. And the result now is, what are you feeling? Pain where? You feel it all the way down.
I got pain here.
Pain where? Pain in the neck?
My neck.
Hopefully it's not pain in my neck.
Back.
Okay. Pain in the back.
I got pain in my feet.
And then pain down into the feet.
Right here.
Okay, show me where.
So when I walk, my feet is...
What are the feet doing?
And this
Are they burning? What are you feeling? Are they burning?
No, I have pain. Pain.
No. But what do you feel? But what do you? You're feeling a cramp here?
Yeah.
That's what I'm asking you.
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one I have a problem. I went to the pedologist like a years ago.
Okay.
And he told me my feet is broken. The bones is here. They give me the boots.
Okay.
The boot.
Yeah.
To put it up.
Yeah.
I can't work with that thing on. So I keep it up for like a couple of days and then.
Okay.
So
right,
I still have that pain for it.
Okay, take the shoes off.
Oh.
I'm gonna post a video of this guy tonight so you could watch him. One of his first adjustments.
And I have pain here too.
But I'm gonna repost him later on down the road. Okay, we're gonna do it again, and you're gonna see how this man's gonna look like a new man. I got you. Okay. And I can say that because it's not cocky if you could back it up. But watch.
No, don't stink.
Don't
My feet don't stink.
That's good. I just want everyone to know I charge extra if you smelly feet.
They don't stink. I was checking.
No, he ain't lying. They're good.
Right? I have pain here. Back here, look. Right here.
Where?
Back
Okay,
here,
at the heel? Okay. Well, let me get out my magic wand, okay? Gay? What did he just say?
No bad words, oye.
What did he just call me?
I knew.
Alright, look to the right. I know.
Oh!
Get in there.
Oh! Boy!
Yep, that's 34 years in the making.
Yep.
What'd you call me now? No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I'm gonna grab you for the
I know.
You gotta make more babies.
Yeah, I have more babies to make, okay?
Watch out!
Yeah. Alright, relájate. Good.
I'm fine.
Good, relax this
Oh
wrist.
my god. Oh.
Wow. Good. You're gonna feel me hold a little pressure on purpose.
Oh!
This hip in for me?
Oh!
There we go. On your back. Yeah.
It's a gradual healing.
Well, for sure. 30. I mean, like
34 years.
We're not just saying it for camera, but I mean, like that's a shit ton of time, you know, to be working physically with your body. And he's bent over, so you look at how is he, like this, right?
Yeah.
And like this, right? So what position is his body in?
Tile.
All day long, it's this way, and now I'm taking it this way. There's no way we can go from point A to point B and you not feel anything. That's impossible. It's impossible, man. Good. Relax the head for me, just have me.
Oh! Oh! Oh, my back. Ah! Oi, oi, oi.
Breathe.
These feet hurt here, right here.
I gotcha. So guys, what you're looking at right now is he has some scar tissue on the bottom of his foot from a possible old fracture confirmed by the podiatrist. So I can't get my hands in there and adjust it just yet. So I'm using this instrument as a tip right there. Yep. Oh, underneath here. Yeah. So we're going to introduce this tip here to put some motion in it to just get things moving and loosened up. And I'll just continuously every week come in here and recheck these feet and get them moving as much as possible. Whether it be, see, un más, okay? You're gonna feel my foot. You gotta love someone when you start jamming your fingers in their socks at the end of a long ass day, right? Especially when he's been working on his body all day. You don't ever question if I don't care about you, right?
Ah!
You ever heard Drzevtv sing?
Oh!
Look down. Look up. Oh yeah, we want to get all in those grout lines.
No pun intended.
Yeah, no pun intended. All right. This is your spine. This is hardware, right? Inside the spine is software. You see this right through here? If you don't maintain the structure of your spine, it's going to eat away at your software. And then at that point, there's nothing I can do for you left. Make sense? But this is a structure just like T. So you're brushing these guys all day long. You're not going to take care of this after your hours every day on the floor. You're crazy, you know? What gets you right will keep you right.